Hey guys, if you're wondering from where you can buy face mask for your player, so the answer is pretty straightforward. This is the store from where you can easily purchase the face mask for your player. If you don't know the exact location, let me show you that in the map. So this is the exact location where you need to come, and you're gonna see this store by the name of Swags. Now scroll and you're gonna see this category by the name of Finder Keepers. Just open that, and just right here you're gonna see the option to purchase the face mask. And yeah, that's exactly how you can purchase face mask for your character in city. So once you purchase the face mask, and if you wanna equip that, for that you just need to like hit your option key. Now we're gonna head over to my player and just select the option appearance, and just right here in the clothes tab you're gonna see the section for like the city pro aim, and you can just easily select the city, and just right from here you can able to equip that mask which you have purchased. Yeah, that's pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.